A warm welcome to Rumbie's table. Follow me as I explore and process life. In today's video, I would like to share how nature plays a big part in making me cope with anxiety. I also love to use my gratitude stick, the smell that comes through from all the natural leaves, and when I listen to the birds and I can focus on what Mother Nature has in store for me. By connecting to the healing powers of nature, I celebrate the environment. Just being outdoors supports the levels of my anxiety to go down. I am able to listen from within. It feels magical to be able to use what nature has provided. I believe whatever I go through, there's always a time to connect to what matters and what is within my environment. I can't wait to have a cup of coffee and enjoy the moment. I wish you could smell the aroma in this room. It smells so beautiful. It enriches my soul. I know, you didn't expect this, but I do believe I am an artist, and I'm good at it. Thank you for watching this video and being part of Rumbie's table. Thank you. Ngiyabonga. Dinotenda. See you next week. Videos come out every Friday. Whoops! Every Wednesday. But you can watch it throughout the week. See you next week, Wednesday. Remember to sign up and share with your friends. Thank you.